Think of the last time somebody really looked at you. Not a glance, not a polite smile, but a real look where you felt completely seen. Remember how that felt in your chest? That feeling has a science behind it. I recently read about an experiment that was conducted where two absolute strangers were made to sit in a room in complete silence with just one instruction: stare into each other's eyes for 4 minutes. This experiment wasn't studying love. It was studying how fast two complete strangers form a genuine bond. And what happened exceeded everything they had expected. They measured everything. After the 4 minutes, many participants reported feeling genuine love for the person sitting across from them. And the crazy thing was that their heart rates and breathing synchronized and their brainwave patterns started mirroring each other. Two completely different nervous systems becoming one coordinated system in 4 minutes of sustained silent eye contact. No words, no history, no physical contact. So here's what's happening. Eyes are not just seeing, they're transmitters broadcasting our entire inner world to anyone who will receive it. Most people go through their lives not truly looking and not truly being seen, moving through life completely invisible. Now think about your own life. When did somebody last look at you long enough to actually see you? Not your performance, not your achievements, you. The researchers also discovered that during these 4 minutes, oxytocin, the bonding hormone, was released. The same hormone that bonds a mother and her newborn child. Some strangers from the experiment kept in contact afterwards and even got married. All this triggered by nothing but truly seeing another person. And our ancient masters understood the magic of sustained eye contact. They believed that two people meeting through the eyes was one of the highest forms of human connections. We are so starved for genuine connection that when it arrives, even between strangers, the heart recognizes it immediately.